Hello, all my mathematician friends. Well, I had something really mysterious happen. Do you remember how last week we had a 5 frame that had 5 empty boxes? Remember we put our family members in it? Yeah. So I left my 5 frame here on the desk, and look what happened. It doubled. Math friends, can you help me with how many empty boxes I have now? Go ahead and count. Can you show me with your fingers? Okay, well, you know what? Let's count together so we can check our idea and check our math. Okay, so maybe you figured it out like this. Maybe you pointed to each box and you counted. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we got 10. Or maybe you thought, Miss McClure, I know a little shortcut. I know that it was a 5 frame and it doubled down below. So I took that 5 and I hold it in my hand. I scrunch that number up and I say 5 and start on the second row. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you see how in both ways we got 10? So we had 5 windows. We have 5 more windows. We smushed them together and we have 10, just like we have 10 fingers. Okay, we're going to do our finger flash again using our 10 frames this time. Are you ready? This time I'll hold it up for you. Show me how many on your fingers. Good. Put your fingers down. Now, can you show me how many are empty? Great. If you showed me 8, go ahead and give yourself some spirit fingers. Woo. All right, on the next one, again, show me how many dots you see. Show me on your fingers. Good. Now, my friends, here's our challenge. Can you show me how many boxes are empty? Good. If you showed me 7, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. Other shoulder. How many dots on my 10 frame? Can you show me with your fingers? Good. If you showed me 8, then give yourself a high five. Yay! All right, now I'm wondering, how did you figure out that there were 8? So again, we may have a lot of different ways. So maybe you counted each dot by pointing to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or maybe you took our little shortcut because you knew that we're 5 on top. So you scrunched that number in your hand. You said 5, 6, 7, 8. Or did some of you know that this was all 10 altogether? And so you said, oh, there are 2 missing. 10, 9, 8, and count backwards. Or maybe you even had a different way. So now I have my cards, but they're all out of order. Can you help me put them back? Okay, let's put them up on this chart. And we'll start with the smallest numbers at the top. Go all the way down, and our biggest numbers will be over here. So smallest, then it gets bigger as it goes down. We're going to need a little room over here, and then it gets bigger as it goes down. Okay, so our first number is what? 4, absolutely. Okay, I'm going to put 4 down. Here's our next number. Is this number 3? 3 dots. Is 3 less than or more than 4? What do you think? Less than, yeah. So I'm going to put it here. Here's our next one. Let's see. So we just put 4, 3. Is 2 less than or more than 3? Less than. Yeah, it goes before it. Here's another one. How many is this? 5. Good. Okay. Is 5 more than or less than 4? What do you think? More than. And remember, we're going from smallest to biggest. I'll put it right here. Okay. What about this one? How much is this? 6. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Is 6 more than or less than 5? Are there more dots here or less dots? More dots, yeah. Good. Okay. Ooh. 1. Am I going to put it up at the top or down at the bottom? What do you think? Yeah, up at the top. It's less than 2. Okay. Ooh. What number is this one? Yeah, 0. Okay. Does this have more or less dots than 1? What do you think? Less dots, you're right. Okay. There it goes. All right, how many is this? 7. Good. Okay. Is 7 more than or less than 6? Is it more or less? Yeah, it's more. Let's go ahead and start a new column up here. What number do we have here? Ooh, this is the one we tried before. What number is it? 8. Good. Okay. Is 8 more than or less than 7? More. Nice. Okay. Remember, we're going from smallest to biggest. What number is this? 9. Yeah. Okay. So we have 8. What comes after 8? 9. Ooh. And our last one is a full 10 frame, 10 dots. What number does that go after? 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. Okay, now let's match up our dots that we put in order with our number cards. Ready? 0, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, and finally 10. I can count to 10. All right, let's try it again. Sing it with me. Here we go. 0, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, and finally 10. I can count to 10. Okay, mathematicians, give me a high 10. On Seesaw, use the Move tool to match the numbers and the dots.